In miscellaneous exercise, 19th question, area between two curves, the curves one is sin x and another is cos x. But area with y-axis is given. So cos x graph, this is cos x graph. Now this is sin x graph. Because sin x is passing through origin. If x is equal to 0, sin 0 is equal to 0. Pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the cos, this is the sin. Now area with the x-axis and y-axis, that is important. Because this is also, this shape is a triangle shape. This area with x-axis. This area with y-axis. Now question is with y-axis. How to find this with y-axis? See, towards the x-axis, cos x, this is sin x. So cos x minus sin x in this interval, 0 to pi by 4. Why it is pi by 4? It is the point of intersection. By solving cos x equal to sin x is equal to sin x cos x and x is equal to pi by 4, because pi by 4 is this in this interval only. It is many points are there, intersect the many points, because again it came with many intersect possible, but in this interval exactly it intersected the pi by 4. Now this area towards, see this x equal to 0 to pi by 4, this area minus this area. Now this answer is root 2 minus 1. Miscellaneous exercise, question number 11. Area of the region or some area, some place. By using method of integration, what is the curve? Mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Mod x is always positive value. Positive value plus positive value is equal to 1. Then the mod x value is less than 1 and mod y is also less than 1, should be less than 1. This is less than 1, this is less than 1, then equal to 1. For example, if you are taking it is 1 by 2, then it should be 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Like that. It is less than 1, it is also less than 1. Not more than 1, even a positive value or x negative value. If x positive, y positive, both are positive, then it is x plus y is equal to 1. X positive, y negative, so for this negative of negative is positive, now coincide. Like that, if negative, then negative. Now how many are equations? Are 4 equations. These 4 are the 4 straight lines. Straight lines means it will go to the infinity. Suppose x plus y is equal to 1, so it is 1, it is 1. Now it is the straight line. The straight line going to this way. But this and this line is like this and this is this. Now, but here this diagram is going out is wrong, because both values should be less than 1 only. Mod x here 1, this is minus 1, 1. Middle of this only x, and middle of this, it is y is equal to 1, it is y equal to minus 1. Middle of this and middle of this only the diagram came. So it should be a closed some part. Now, what is this angle? 90 degrees. It is a diagonal of a quadrilateral. But diagonals are perpendicular, then the quadrilateral is rhombus. All sides are equal, then diagonal perpendicular. Rhombus or square, generally I am saying the rhombus. Here, these two are equal though, that is x-intercept is equal, it is 1, then this is 45, it is 45, it is also 45, so it is the square. If both quotients, mod x before the number, mod y before the number, both are the same numbers, then it is the square. If different numbers, the rhombus. So generally, we are writing the rhombus. This is dividing into 4 equal triangles. This is the triangle. Now required area is equal, actually half into base into height, 1 by 2, this area. Now total area is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 times 4 by 2 is equal to 2. But this question is method of integration. So you should use the integration. Now this line is y is equal, x plus y is equal to 1, then y is equal 1 minus x. This is the one of the equation, this struck by 0, 1 only. So this integration 0, 1 minus x dx. 1 integration x integration is x square by 2, by substitute the 1. You can get that this 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Why it is 4? Because this area, uska 4 times area is full area. 4 times of area. Suppose same question in JEE mains. Now general, I am writing the general formula for JEE. A mod x plus B mod y is equal to C. Any constant, A, B, C or constants. Some fixed constants in the one problem given. Now, how to find this area? See in this diagram area like this. Now what is this line? If it is positive, take this is positive, then it is y is equal or one equation, that is ax plus by is equal to c. Now this area of this triangle line by x-axis, y-axis, now area is equal c square by 2 mod ab. This is area. Uska 4 times multiply by 4. Now 2c square by mod ab is the formula. Area is equal 2c square by mod ab. This is the formula for JEE mains. Now use the AB is equal 1, C is also 1, 2 into 1 square by 1 into 1, answer is 2. This is for JEE mains. Miscellaneous exercise, question number 7. Find the area of enclosed by the parabola 4y is equal to 3x square and the line to y is equal to 3x plus 12. Parabola and the line. So this y is equal to 4 divide and y is equal to 2 divide. Now solving 1 and 2 to find the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. Now how to find the point of intersection? Eliminate the y by cross multiplication. You can get the quadratic equation. Then x is equal to 4, x equal to minus 2. X equal to 4, y 12, x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3. By putting the any one of the equations substitute, then a and b are 2 points. They first to locate the a and b. Then join the parabola. X square is there, so it is upward open. Now join the 2 points with a line. Now area is, this is the area. This area bounded by equation 2. This is a straight line. downside is parabola equation 1. So minus 2 to 4, this minus this. Minus 2 to 4, equation 2 minus equation 1. Now integration, then the value is 27. Miscellaneous exercise question number 4. Sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3 and evaluate minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. This is definite integration. First of all, you take it is x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. So write the minus 3, this side positive, negative. Positive to start to negative. Then x plus 3 is the polynomial. If x is more than this, it is positive, less than this is negative. So y is equal to mod x plus 3. X is less than this, so minus 6. So it is negative. Negative to elimination of modulus, again negative. Negative of negative is positive. More than minus 3 is minus 3 to 0. It is positive to modulus eliminate ho gaya. When the first question is given in the modulus, first eliminate the modulus. Then the diagram, it is the two lines, y is equal to x plus 3 and this. Why you are putting this point minus 3 comma 0? Here x equal to minus 3, then y is equal to 0, this is the point. Now this line and this line. Only upside only. Why it is upside? Y is modulus of some value, so y is always positive. Y is upside. So any point it is in y is positive. Now this definite integration is minus 6 to minus 3 minus of x plus 3 minus 3 to 0 x plus 3 dx. Now find the integration.